Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful, free screen recording software, you've probably heard of OBS Studio. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use OBS to record your screen, customize your settings, and get the best quality for your videos. Let's get started. What is OBS? OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open-source program used for screen recording and live streaming. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Whether you're recording tutorials, gameplay, or presentations, OBS can do it all. Step 1. Download and install OBS. Type obsproject.com in your browser. Step 2. Understand the OBS interface. When you open OBS, the interface might look intimidating, but it's actually simple once you understand the layout. Here are the main parts. Scenes. Think of scenes like layouts or setups. Sources. These are the elements in each scene, like your screen, webcam, images, or audio. Controls. This is where you start, stop recording, streaming, and open settings. Step 3. Setting up screen recording. Let's set up screen recording. Click the plus under Scenes and name it. Then click the plus under Sources and choose Display Capture if you want to record your whole screen. If you want to record only a specific window, choose Window Capture instead. Step 4. Add webcam, which is optional. Step 5. Configure audio. OBS records both your microphone and system sounds by default. In the audio mixer, you can adjust volume or mute tracks. Step 6. Set output quality. Under Recording, choose your recording path. That's where your videos are saved. Set the recording format to MP4 or MKV. You can also choose the bitrate and encoder. For most users, the default is fine. Step 7. Set resolution scale or aspect ratio and FPS. For standard 1080p, set both base and output resolution to 1920 by 1080. For smoother video, set FPS to 60 if your system can handle it. Step 8. Start recording. When everything's set up, just click Start Recording in the bottom right. Do your thing, then click Stop Recording when you're done. Your video will be saved in the folder you chose earlier. And that's it. OBS Studio is one of the most powerful tools out there once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy recording!